Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to take an in-depth look at the Ford F-450 fuses in fuse box. The Ford F-450 has been a true icon on the road since its inception, dominating the pickup truck scene with its relentless power, cutting-edge technology, and unmistakable design. Let's discuss about fuses of the Ford F-450. Under-hood fuse box. Accessing the under-hood fuse box. Locating the under-hood fuse box. Identifying the fuses in the under-hood fuse box. Interior fuse box. Locating the interior fuse box. Accessing the interior fuse box. Identifying the fuses in the interior fuse box. Identifying fuse types. A. Micro 2. B. Micro 3. C. Maxi. D. Mini. E. M case. F. AJ case. G. EJ case low profile. H. Slotted M case. Troubleshooting. When do I need to check a fuse? If electrical components in the vehicle are not working. When do I need to replace a fuse? If a fuse has blown. How do I identify a blown fuse? You can identify a blown fuse by a broken wire within the fuse. Instructions. Do not work on a hot engine. Make sure that nothing gets caught in moving parts. Do not work on a vehicle with the engine running in an enclosed space, unless you are sure you have enough ventilation. Keep all open flames and other burning material, such as cigarettes, away from the battery and all fuel-related parts. Set the parking brake, shift the transmission to park, P, and block the wheels. We hope this video is informative for you, and if you like this video please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.